Kings Road Dollar General Thursday morning. They closed the door behind them. There's a coming soon sign on the wall, and out front, a memorial stands for the victims killed in a shooting at this store. We went into the neighborhood, speaking with people who didn't want to be shown, considering the fact they live in walking distance to where a racially motivated mass shooting happened. You're saying you were in there the same day?
The same day. 20 minutes before that happened. And as soon as I got back in the house, playing my numbers, lottery number, I heard some shooting. I said, that close by, it sounded like right here in my backyard.
Wow. So, sir, that could have been you.
Oh, yes.
Has it ever reoccurred to you or, made you feel uncomfortable knowing that, that store is still standing in your neighborhood?
Oh, no. Man.
Not at all?
No, because that can happen anywhere.
He says he would love it if the store reopened because it's the closest one to him. His neighbor a few doors down feels different. Would you go back in there?
No.
Why not?
Because every time I drive by there, I think about what happened. And that's tragic. I mean, that's too close to home.
3 people, loved ones, didn't get to go home that day in August. JSO says the shooter left 2 other places when he saw security guards before ending up at Dollar General. Attorneys for the victims say they would want to see the store add security guards to ensure no one else in the community will fall victim to another crime. How have they described to you how it would make them feel to have the store reopened?
This Dollar General should have been shut down completely. It's insulting. It minimizes the value of their lives. This is about money, what they're doing. They're trying to market again to say, come back into our stores and buy our items so we can make up for the profit loss from having closed the store. Having closed the store because the walls were covered in blood.
Can you just tell us how these families are doing?
Their grieving becomes worse and worse every day.
The community also grieves.
I feel so bad about that.
And they're split on what to do. Would it make you feel any better if the store had security guards?
No, if they had a police. Security guards are limited. If we had JSO, yes. So I probably still wouldn't go in there, though.
They live with the reminder and try to move forward.
Marilyn, we know that you can't really tell us about what you saw inside. We've got to wait for that until tomorrow. But you've been standing outside for about an hour now. What have you seen? Are people coming by? Are they standing? Are they looking? Are they asking questions? What's happening?
All of that, Joy. Literally, we've seen about 4 or 5 people come to the parking lot. I had to go up to them a few times and say, no, it's not open until tomorrow. And that just speaks to the need that's in this community. There are people who are still going to come to this store who actually rely on this store. Another point I want to mention, we were talking about the plaque on the wall. Well, if you drive by this road, you see the memorial here. Well, technically, this memorial is on the right-of-way, and Dollar General says they have no intention of removing it because, again, it's not on their property. So for the time being, it appears as though this will remain standing to honor those victims. And News4Jax will be here tomorrow at 9 to bring you the grand opening, or the opening, I should say. Reporting live, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.
Marilyn, thanks.